Hey everyone, we've got a St. Albert housing market report here for you using the most recent statistics available. So this is the August 2022 real estate market report using the stats from July, since that's the most recent stuff available. You can get a copy of this report if you look in the description below. I've got a link where you can go and download the PDF version of this report. And there's basically three different versions of it. There's the total residential, which looks at everything, the single family home report, and then the condo report. So we're gonna start with the market as a whole, then go to single family homes, then condos. So let's jump right into the report. All right, so the average price in St. Albert in July was $472,540, which is down 1.9% from June of 2022 and up 9.6% from July of 2021. We'll fast forward a little bit here. These are the stats for the year. We're up 7.69% with an average price of $472,557, which is pretty good for the year so far. And if we look at the number of actives and solds, there was 264 active listings at the end of the month in July and 110 sales. So the number of active listings are up 8.64% from June and down just over 19% from July of 2021. And the sales are down 29.49% from June and down 21.43% from July. So the sales have dropped a little bit more than they did in Edmonton, but still pretty much on the same sort of trend. A lot of these areas outside of Edmonton are performing very similar to Edmonton. Now, if you look at the market balance, you can see the number of sales are the bottom bar, and the number at the top is the number of active listings, and the green is the gap between the number of sales and the active listings. The last 2 months, we've seen a big shift in June and July, where we've had dropping sales and increased inventory. So that starts to change the balance of the market and to shift it more into buyers' favor. Now, with that said, the absorption rate was still sitting at 41.67%, which is balanced market territory. So it is performing better than Edmonton from that perspective, but there still has been a big shift. And the average days on market sitting at 30 days versus 21 days in June. So stuff is taking longer to sell than it did before, but it's still quicker than it was last year in July with 40 days average days on market. Now we'll look at single family homes, but first I just want to remind you, I can give you a good overall view of what's going on in St. Albert with these reports, but I can give you even more specific advice if you reach out to me at 780-819-5508 or go to booktrevornow.com where you can select a time on my calendar and we can set up a free consultation call. There's no obligation. I can answer any questions that you have about the real estate market, whether you're looking to buy or sell, and give you some specific insights that'll be a lot more actionable for you than what you'll see in these reports. So let's continue on with the St. Albert report. For single family homes, the average price was sitting at $528,329, which is down 3.96% from June and up 7.48% from July of 2021. Average price is up just over 11% in St. Albert for single family homes, sitting at $534,069. And if we look at the number of actives and sales, there was 177 active single family homes at the end of the month and 83 sales. So the actives are up 18.79% from June and down 11.94% from July of last year. And the sales are down 31.4% from June and down 21.7% from July of 2021. So again, the same sort of market balance here. You're seeing the same shift for the single family home market as you do for the market as a whole. The absorption rate sitting at 46.89%, which is still pretty balanced. And the average days on market was sitting at 26 days versus 18 days last month and 37 days in July of last year. Now we'll just quickly look at the condo market. Not a ton of condos in St. Albert, but the average price was sitting at $301,040, which is up 22%, just over 22% from June and up 24% from July 2021. That's because there's not a whole lot of condos that sell, so everyone that sells is gonna make the average price jump all over the place, so I really wouldn't pay too much attention to that. Number of active condos was sitting at 87 at the end of the month with 27 sales. So the inventory is down 7.45% from June and down just over 30% from July of last year. And the sales are down 22.86% from June and down 20.59% from July. Again, here's the market balance. You can take a closer look at that in the report, but you can see that it is shifting in the condo market as well. Absorption rate was sitting at 31%, which is kind of on the cusp of a buyer's market slash balanced market. So it's a lot more balanced in St. Albert than it is in Edmonton. And the average days on market for condo was sitting at 41 days versus 30 days last month and 51 days last year. So that's it for the report. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit subscribe. You can click over here to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other videos, and you can check out another video over here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I will see you on the next one.